What's up, y'all? It's me, Tiktoshh, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you throw the thumbs up on the video. Leave some comments below on some quick meals that I can do while I'm in the kitchen, because I'm not that good of a cook. But I am learning to try to eat in the house instead of running to the fast food. You can put this back up too. Instead of running to the fast food. As you can see, the chicken is already washed. We have broccoli here, mashed potatoes, the onion, and the cream of chicken. And I'm not going to tell y'all what it's called again, but let's dive right on in. We're going to figure it out as we go. All right, y'all, we are going to start with our Morton seasoned salt. And you will see this in a lot of my videos because this is what I cook with. And we're just going to go right on ahead. Put some on the top, and then we'll start working it right on in. And I have an extra pan, so as I season, and yeah, we don't want it too salty, so we're not going to do a lot of seasoning. Let's go ahead and mix that in. On one side is good enough, because in our household, like I said, we don't use a lot of seasoning. Make sure that you are seasoning your chicken after, of course, it's already been cleaned. Yep, I need that too. That can be for the mashed potatoes, huh? And I'm talking to my husband, y'all. So, teamwork make the dream work. I can start, but I do be needing help due to my disability, which is, we're not letting disabilities hold us back in 2024. Hopefully, no one has ever had to be held back, but yeah, we're not gonna let it hold us back. But we are definitely gonna get in here and do our thing. We're trying to be more healthy than, I'm telling you, my household is fast food. This was an everyday thing for years. And so now we got to get this right. We have to get this right. So yeah, let's go, y'all. All right, y'all, so we have that chicken ready to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the broccoli first. If your pan don't look like this, then it has not been used in the kitchen. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this broccoli into the pan and get it on the stove. I'm gonna be doing the chicken, starting the chicken in the electric skillet, then ultimately it will go in the oven for a few minutes, not too long. I'm also gonna be using Parmesan, which I did not show you guys earlier. And I'm also going to be using flour. So yeah, let's get it going. All right, y'all, so the broccoli is all cleaned and ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the pan, and let's get the broccoli on so we can start our chicken. Okay, you guys, we're just going to place the broccoli in, just like that. And this will be my first time making broccoli myself. I've never made broccoli before, so let's pray that it comes out like it's supposed to. And yeah, let me know how y'all do y'all broccoli. But all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some butter and water to this. And I'll probably put just a tad bit of seasoning. Tell me, do y'all put seasoning in y'all's? Let me know if y'all put seasoning in y'all broccoli. And I'll just put just a little. Okay. You get a bottle of water. Adding a bottle of water. You want to fill the pan as much as you can. And then just, yeah. Because we want to, I know we're going to steam this broccoli, so that should be enough water. If not, I'll add more later. All right, y'all, we are transferring this right on to the stove, and we're gonna put a lid on that, and we're gonna let it do what it do. All right, y'all. We also have to add a drop of this vegetable oil into the pan before we start the chicken. And I also have forgot to show you guys this. You can use whatever kind. I normally use Western oil, but I found out that this oil works just as good. All right, y'all. So as y'all can hear, the oil is in the pan, and we are getting ready to go ahead and put some flour on these and some Parmesan and throw them bad boys in. Okay, so I'm going to put a bag and put that so I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to do a pan, and I'll put that flour in the pan, turn it up, okay, and I'm going to put some Parmesan on it, inside of it. I'm going to just like that. I think it's working, mix it around just a little bit, so it has that flavor in here. And yeah, so it's ready to dip our chicken. And you don't have to do too much flour, just a little bit to give it a rust. Just a little bit to give it a rust, okay? All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and pop that in. You can put as many as you want in to start. I'm going to try to get at least 4 to 6 in. And I'm normally really scared to touch this. I'm not really scared to do this part of it. You just gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You can't be afraid to do it. And these are chicken tenderloins. That's what these are, I forgot to mention. These are just chicken tenderloins. Skinless, my husband wants to know, because I'm leaving out little bitty tiny details. Skinless chicken tenderloins. That's what these are. All right, I'll put one more in for the record, because there was enough room for one more. And yeah, I'm going to turn those over right now, and then I am going to put the lid on and let them bad boys go. What happened to my fork? Here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, you can turn the skillet back up, son. He turned the skillet down, so he has to turn it back up a little bit. So we can go ahead and get this out the way and done. No, I don't want more grease, you don't know how I'm making them. Just turn the grease on. Let me turn the skillet on. These don't require a lot of grease, what I'm doing. All right, there we go. That's how they're supposed to be looking right now, guys. This is not fried chicken. Okay? All right. All right, y'all, and I am missing steps. Welcome back to Cooking Up a Convo with Tiktoshh on Tiktoshh TV. And this is the disabled edition. Because, baby, today, if I didn't know, today I know. My back is killing me. The heat was on, so you know how when you sleep in heat, that don't mix. So I got all of that going on too. But anyway, we're about to get this meal all the way cracking. After we get that done, we're gonna be adding this cream of chicken, and yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Yeah, the first round is done because it also has to go in the oven, so you're only supposed to cook it just a little. All right, y'all, we got the broccoli going, and then we got the mashed potatoes, but my phone is fogging up. All right, y'all, so this is what our chicken should be looking like. Should be looking just like that. All right, y'all, so the chicken is ready. We got the broccoli, we got the mashed potatoes. I'm adding macaroni and cheese because it's gonna go with the dish that goes in the oven, and I'll be right back to y'all. So we use Kraft macaroni and cheese, but we're gonna turn it into a baked macaroni and cheese. And yeah, trust the process. Okay, y'all, we are about to make our cream of chicken sauce with cheese. That also is gonna bake in the oven. And we're gonna mix the Kraft cheese sauce in there. And yeah, we are going to mix it. We are going to mix just like that. Just literally going to be mixing. And that is how we're getting our cheese sauce. Always got to trust the process. And this is my own recipe. All right, y'all, we are at the last bit. We are getting ready to pop that in the oven as soon as we do the last steps. And yeah, we're gonna see how the boys like it. I hope they like it. All right, y'all, now we're getting ready to pour the macaroni on here so we can get this bad boy going. Yeah, keep going. That's enough. supposed to be like a bed. You make it, this is your bottom little base. That's what this is. Okay. Then after we do that, we are going to go right on in with our cheese sauce. And yeah, this is our cheese sauce. It's the cheese and cream of mushroom. Just gonna lay it in. Then I'm gonna remix it. Let me have the spoon back. And the object of the game is for it not to be too cheesy down here. But yeah, make sure you get all your cheese out your bowl. All your cheese and cream of chicken out of the bowl. Again, trust the process. Push that button. Okay guys, now it's time to lay our little buddies down. Our little chicken buddies. Lay them down in the bed. Yeah, that's all we're doing, is laying our chicken down. So we can get ready to put it in and bake it. That was the point of pre-cooking everything. Okay, then we're going to go in with the Parmesan again. Am I in there? There we go. Mainly on the chicken. Gotta get it on our chicken. Once we have that on, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of cheese. Use whatever kind you like. Use whatever kind you like, and you don't have to use too much. You can get some on some of your macaroni as well, not just your chicken. And there we have it, our masterpiece. Let me let y'all get a better look at it. My boys, when we go to Longhorn or anyone, they choose stuff like this. So that's why I found this recipe online, even though I made it my own, and yeah. All right, guys, and that is what we're looking like before we pop it into the oven. All right, y'all, my husband just gave me a great idea to use the parsley flakes just to add that little cuteness to it. We're not gonna do too much. Just enough. Okay, so my husband is going to come and pop it in the oven. All right, y'all, it is time for the masterpiece to be done. And we're gonna leave that in the oven for about 20 minutes maybe, or a little bit more, 20-25 minutes. All right, y'all, this is our ghetto cream of chicken laying in a bed of macaroni, Parmesan. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. Whatever you take from that. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to give the boys the broccoli. I literally forgot, but they got it now. All right, y'all, so my husband made mashed potatoes, and my son is gonna taste them and let us know how they are. Scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give him an 8.
All right, cool.
Pretty good.